So, let me tell you about my new favorite thing. This is the premium fragrant oil humidifier, and it's a total game changer. It's like having a spa day right in my own room, no cap. I started using it with essential oils, and wow, just wow. The aroma fills my space so beautifully and instantly. It takes my lounging vibe to a whole new level. Trust me, not only does it smell good, but it's also a humidifier. I notice my air feels fresher and less dry overall. I can't believe how much it helps with my allergies too. And let's talk about safety, fam. It's got an auto-off feature that gives me peace of mind. Plus, the timer options are just the cherry on top.